everybody, my name's Emma Boys and I'm the designer of the Adventures in Paper Cutting range. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Zodiac Signs Paper Cutting card set. Each set includes 12 original Zodiac Signs cards. You have starry backgrounds, envelopes, and this time we've included some banners too. So this is what you'll start off with, your beautiful paper cut template. Once your template's cut, you'll fold this in half, choose one of your beautiful starry backgrounds, and then this is what you'll end up with, an original paper cut card. I really hope that you enjoy making the cards as much as I enjoyed designing them, and thanks so much for watching.